Hi, I am Dr. Asif Ali, and many of you might already know me from my YouTube channel, Dr. Asif's Molecular Biology, where I have been helping thousands of students to teach bioinformatic tools, experimental skills, and research writing. I have done my PhD and completed two postdoctoral fellowships in crop genomics and molecular biology. I have launched my own services on YouTube and my website asifmallbio.com to host these detailed courses, but quickly I realized that platforms like YouTube often feel more like the entertainment hub, so that is why I have decided to bring my structured content here. So, first thing first, I would like to explain why I started to think about to launch this course. When I first began learning bioinformatics, I thought a bit of command line and then terminal knowledge would be enough, but soon I found myself diving into Linux environments, then R scripting, and even now using Python to generate plots and analyze biological data. And I also realized that this was too much for someone who just wanted to analyze experimental results for thesis. While I believe coding is great for data scientists, however, sometimes it can be an overkill for many biology students. That is why I have shifted my focus from coding to web-based tool, and these platforms have friendly user interface. I mean, we just need to upload our data, we need to pick from the drop down menus, and we need to adjust our parameters, and we will get clean publication quality ready visuals. So that is why I have designed this course specifically for those students and researchers who are from the biological sciences, medicine, agriculture, and related fields, but who struggle when it comes to analyze data. So whether you are applying for scholarship, as most of the labs have now demands for these bioinformatics and data visualization skills in preparing your thesis and finishing your manuscript. So, next thing, what will be the students learn from this course? So, in this course, I will walk you through more than 20 powerful web based tools that will allow you to perform everything to do with just a single click, like complete RNA-seq data analysis with single click and building complex phylogenetic trees, genome-wide visualization for your thesis, manuscript, or your next research assignment. So one thing more, not only this skill will also enhance your chances to win your scholarships from prestigious lab. So I will keep updating as new tools will emerge, so you will stay ahead in everything. So if you want to enroll this course, please feel free to check its content first. And I have an offer for you if you are watching me from YouTube. If you are a member of this channel, you can get 50% discount coupon, and if you are not member, you can get 35% discount coupon. Please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.